Don't make stuffing. Down it on the rain.
Blame.
Blame. It is a rainy day. Duck and Amy are playing. They hear giggling. It is Alma. Did you see that little bit? It's Alma. Does McStuffins? What do you like the best in this character? Did you like Down McStuffins or
I like
Alma
this. Her is my
or
first. She's my first.
Emma? What? I know what you like now. So let's move the page. The girls look out the window. The sun is out. They can play outside. Duck and her friend put on rain boots. Mom said, Amy, we're going outside. Amy finds a puddle. Alma sees Moo. She is all wet. Emma is crying. Duck, can you help? She will give Moo a checkup. Turn the page. Duck will take Moo home. Sorry, Moo, says Alma. The duck is in. Duck says, Duck toys come to life. Hello, Moo, they say. Moo is wet. She tried to get dry. Drip, drop, drip. Holly, grab a bucket. I was left out in the rain, says Moo. Chili hops up. If I was melt in the rain, I would be a puddle. Duck tells Chili. I would be a puddle. Duck tells Chili that he is stuffed. He cannot be a puddle. Lemmy wants to cuddle, but Moo is too wet. Stuffy bring towel. Stuffy Stuffy slide. Duck grab a towel. Moo is sad. Alma left her out in the rain. She made a mistake, says Duck. Duck got the big book of boo-boos. You have squishy eats, she said. Don't need to get Moo dry. Duck and Stuffy gently twist Moo water drips into the pan. That tickles, says Moo. Now your turn to read and repeat. Duck roll on Moo, let me help. Let me help. Duck roll up Moo, let me help.
Okay.
Now your turn to read.
Dr. Lord.
아니, 아빠가 그냥 죽어. Stuffy helped too. You are almost dry, says Duck. Now you repeat that.
Stuffy.
아니, 아빠가. Duck, take Moo outside. The sun will dry you out, says Duck. Moo, new friend, take care of her. Now you repeat. 아빠가. I'll take a space. Oh, I plan me to mistake. It's okay, don't be afraid.
Hey, keep going on to read.
Moo is dry all batters. Duck, says Duck, you can go home. Moo doesn't want to go home. Go. But Elma will be sad, says Lammy. Duck tells Moo about her mistake. I put Lammy in the washing machine. She says, squeak, squeak. I left the squeaker out in the cold, says Duck. Sorry about that. Duck hears something crying. It is Alma. Alma misses Moo. Where? I want to see Moo. I'm gonna get him to the class to show. Alma made a mistake, says Moo. But she is a good friend. Moo wants to go home. Duck takes Moo home. Alma is happy to see her. Duck sees a rain cloud. Oh, she says. Alma hugs Moo. No more rain for you, says Alma. Me too. Duck McStuffins says. The end. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.